Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Zhu Young Mobile Legends account and checking server latency. Low lag matters. Next, pick a role and a hero you know. This reduces mistakes early. Equip the recommended emblem and buy one early item. That secures sustain or damage. Once in lane, focus on last-hitting minions and keep the minimap open. Constantly ping for help when enemies vanish. Make sure to place one simple map glyph for lane timing, because vision prevents surprise ganks and frees you to farm safely. Once you hit the mid-game, shift from solo farming to objective play, take turret plates and contest the turtle. You should recall after a successful trade, buy your first core item and a mobility option, then immediately look to roam. Coordinate 2 to 3 rotations with teammates. Timed ganks win fights. When you approach fights, target enemy squishies quickly and peel for your carry if needed. Make sure to secure buffs and ward key jungle paths, because map control translates into safe gold and better teamfight positioning. In the late game, you must force favorable engagements and protect your core carries. Avoid solo dives that leave objectives contested. Once done, use split push only when your team can stall 2 to 3 enemies, and make sure to rotate back safely if a fight breaks out. Prioritize inhibitors and the base after winning a clean fight. If things go wrong, say you keep getting collapsed, pause for one buy, purchase detection, or defensive items. Then regroup with your team to reset tempo and retake control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.